Kumsibenta ke jingkan mau buram ni jisat tangan baklem senge ke belakang jo kakat senam kenti daka airum Sharmila Hamanipur ban penbor resor keme ban wengno ya ka yak jokor belatip kum ka Armed Force Special Powers Act ka North East Dialogue Forum hakala siublei kala kentu yuk bak sokar pedeng klade ban buram ya ka jingdawa dak ba wengno ya ka te ka an na ka te ka jela habakran bat kilar ptai kubor ba PBM basio moi konsultan ke NEDF uloong ba ka sarkar padang klade ban bisapnya halo ka jingpen jari da ka AFSPA hakatan chate lamingi jongkari namar omdan jaka satya ya ka sinsyar dan bor jangsi pai hakut kom sinsyar pai ba uba PBM basio moi uloong ru ba ka sawar kami ke jugun tho e ka Pakistan haka ba ka rai ba halor du e ka dei sipai dei ka longpat kumju hakani ka than haka ba ka jingpen dei kam ne ka AFSPA ba sipai kim dong e ban a jingkhain ha ba ki khruet yanoi no bagi subah kum ke kekhlau shu ulai thu bagi dan bun ki komiti ki bakwa ban wengno ya katika ai na katika jela handrai ong pat baka juba bagi ba ki yo kalong nomor baki sipai ki kwa ban petang ya kanika anyak jakar haki kerteng banyak kun kekhlau kot kum ke jitu jong u ka airam Sharmila na du kerta ka bakhanyo snem klasim ya katika jingdawa dak basha tangan bandawa wengno ya ka AFSPA dak ba ya penlut ya ki jingim samla ka jingi bat kiwe tat hadu mentang hak juga po labu jingkliru halo kejio lat jongka AFSPA ban peteng trikam hakatan site lamingi jongkari kentup hamegalia ke batrikam 10 km hak silinter jongka kapur bat ke Asam kamrup Golpara nolo kata ulapun kema baru bawat menteri ba kejelau Dr. Mukul Sangma hak por kejiki dawa inalan permit kadang kluit bah ula berngem monora ka AFSPA nakalyang ke NEDF ke kentu ri ba kejela bang no tilang banyak tililang kawai kesur halo kata kejing kun.
The UN Special Rapporteur twice had made recommendations that this law should be repealed. The Justice Jivan Reddy Commission had recommended that this law should be repealed. The Santosh Hegde Committee had recommended that this law should be repealed. And yet, the answer given by the civilian government of India that the military wants it. It is a surrender of its powers, its authority, final decision. Why? Why should AFSPA continue in the Northeast? Those of us in Meghalaya, we have not known its impact because it stretches only about 10 kilometers in the border along with Assam, in the Kamrup, Golpara districts. But you may remember at one time, at the height of the ILP agitation, that our Honorable Chief Minister said, I will use AFSPA. So it hangs like a Damocles sword. Anytime they can bring in. In Arunachal, in the month of June, it was brought to 12 districts without the knowledge of the state government, because the Minister of State for Home is also an MP from Arunachal. But then, because of the severe resistance from Arunachal, after 2 weeks, it was removed from Arunachal except for 2 districts. We would also like for us to be united in our struggle to be free. We know in Meghalaya, even with AFSPA, like the Mukhap fighting of last year, till today the inquiry is not yet over. We know what happened to the killing of that police inspector in Patakma, and how the High Court had to intervene. We know how many fake encounters have taken place. And even my own nephew in 2002, along with his 2 cousins, were killed alive, burned alive in a jeep when the Meghalaya police fired at a tanki at Wakalia. If without AFSPA such atrocities can be committed, by the people who are supposed to bring peace, law and order. You can imagine if AFSPA is here.